Welcome, in front of me is an Air 2 Ultra, and today I will show you how we can put this device into Fastboot mode. So to get started, you'll want to hold the power button and select power off from the boot options. And you want to flip it over, as we do have these lights right here that signify that the device turned fully off. If it didn't, it gets problematic because in turn, when you're holding these two buttons that I will tell you, it might get us into recovery mode instead, which is not what we want. But anyway, once the lights goes off at the back, hold power button and volume up at the same time. And you can see this takes us to the boot mode. In here, I'm gonna bring it really close. There we go. You can see we have three options, and you navigate through them using only volume up. So you want to have Fastboot mode selected, which is the middle option, so press volume up once. It's basically in the middle now, and once it's in the middle, select volume down to confirm it. You could have seen for a brief moment it says Fastboot mode, so that's all you need to do to boot into this mode. Now to leave it, I believe we can just hold the power button. If that doesn't work, we can use power button and volume down. But I'm starting off with just the power, and it does turn off, and it should automatically boot it back up on its own. And you can see we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.